Hey, it's Alex with Alex Approved here with another awesome product. I want to thank this company for allowing me to give you my honest review. It is a keypad garage door opener with a camera, and let's take a look and see what it is. So with this camera, you can use it with your MyQ app, which I have already for my garage door opener. And you can see that it has some nice big numbers there. It's got the garage door open, and it also has the call button right in front. It is battery operated. You can see it's easy to open. Now, the battery is well secured in there. And it also has this little tab that you can secure it to the mount, which I have already put up. But all you need to do is just take it out, right? Charge it. As soon as you charge it, it has a full charge in a few hours, and then you put it back on. Yes, and you're ready to go. Let's get it installed. And after my password is in there, just click it. It'll connect. Your device is now connected. All right, let's take a look. And it's easy to install as well. Just find the holes, mark it, drill it. And it's that easy to install. All you need to do is just mount it on there. And don't forget about that little tab that you secured it in. Twist, twist, twist. And there you go. So if you're looking for a keypad garage door camera that's easy to use, easy to install, easy to set up, I recommend this. And remember, it's Alex approved.